Did you get the 66?
No. I was in Eastbourne.
Oh.
Yeah.
It might be coming back down.
What time?
Driving training. I'll have a check. The past 3 weeks that journey's been cancelled.
It
was about 45 minutes early. 66, 7:30.
Is the horn allowed?
It's not left yet. It's not left yet, but it's on private training that's going up and down. But it was about last weekend as well, but they cancelled the class.
I know, yeah, I saw. They're putting more deckers on this now, 3 or 4. They have 2. They have 2 now, and there's a week there.
Yes.
Then they have. Can they have around?
They've got the clever handle up now.
Yeah.
Plus
We've
they've got that new 382.
Yeah, we've got that as well.
Haven't got the 919 yet.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, I had it.
But we've got 552 as well.
Wednesday. Yeah, we've got 552. I went on that earlier. That's not bad.
Crap.
It's all 4 to 551.
I was walking literally 2 hours to Sydney to meet Reggie, and then on the corner of my eye I see 15552 coming racing around the corner on Green Valley Way. I was so lucky to get it going past me so quick.
Reggie was pestering me all morning. What's that? To go and get a video from him. 66.
See. Yeah, with the new Create 2 destination board, I was on 47660.
It's died again. I wanted to go on that today.
I asked the driver to put on the Create 2. He did. It looks weirdish.
Did you get any pictures of 47120 the other day?
Yes. You were on the seafront, Alex was at the station, I was at the station.
Didn't see you at the station. I got on a bus to the station and I went home from there.
What time did you get to the station?
1:15.
Oh, I was gone when I saw 120. So I came from school, then I had to get home. So what are these people waiting? Are they waiting for the 349 or something?
We've run out of stuff to do on weekends. Bloody rail strike next weekend and all these bank holidays, you can't really do anything.
Yeah.
The weather will be shit today. Last weekend I was day trip to Southampton, that was good.
But just the rail tours been cancelled. The Dunbar.
Yes. Strange right.
Yeah.
I hope they don't cancel the
770.
is that 77?
0 EVT.
What's on that area?
772s on 51s and 771s on town routes. Oh yeah, 26358s on the 6 as well. It's mental.
Have you got that since it's been painted?
I got on the 1A. And I got on it, I went on it.
Did you go around the depot?
No.
It's 35101 be finished yet.
No, it's being
donated to a charity, but they're being painted at Eastbourne.
Yeah, for local, and then it's going to go to...
I assume Reggie sent you the picture I got the other day.
Yeah. 34492's got withdrawn as well now.
Yeah.
Ex Hastings and Eastbourne.
I'm surprised 34442 is still going.
Yeah. It was really good, and then it goes into 7, 27, 347, and 10 shit. I wanted to go on it all day. when I was
29 today.
and so is 3485. That's back. I had a major problem. They've been bringing back all the buses now.
Yeah, they're so short. 47119 might not return after its accident.
I think this one's at Ashford.
No, it hasn't. That's a ticket machine error.
So it's still in Hastings, but it still needs repairs.
You know it got rear-ended?
Yeah, by a car.
Was it
A bus?
I thought it was a bus. It was at the station.
Yeah, it was rear-ended by a car, I think, and they had to run into the station.
I don't think so. I thought it was rear-ended by a car while it was waiting to go into one.
One of the days.
Rear-ended by a bus while it was waiting to go into one of the days.
So 2 buses got hit. Oh god.
Also from 370 overheat constantly.
370?
Yeah.
Is that why it's not out? Yeah, because then I've got 36123 on the 347 now. Where's the next rail replacement?
Next Sunday, there's
Really?
everything through Hastings. Hastings Battle, Hastings Bexhill, Hastings Ashford.
Sweet.
Did you go and get the Portuguese MMCs when they were down on Vale
Right.
the other day? Right, yeah.
I didn't notice there was rail replacement, so I don't even think I went out that day. When was it?
2 weekends ago on a Saturday.
I was at Hastings.
Oh yeah. You go down there and go behind the church, there's a Mercedes-Benz bus being used as a camper van. V plate.
555. Oh, there's another MMC, that's 278. Yeah, that's 278. They've got 3 deckers on the 22, and they've got 2 deckers on the 20. That's weird. I might go see 47660s like parked up in the depot. And I can get a nice photo.
95 Z300s, isn't it? 95 Z300s, isn't it?
95 is, yeah, it's 921, Frankie's on it. And the 9697 is 28607, which I want to go on so bad. It's the only Scania A300 I haven't got on. I've been on 09, been on 10, and on 6, and I haven't been on 7. I need to go on it bad. You going out to battle?
Yeah.
I know.
Probably nothing else out.
May as well go down to the depot, see if 47660's there.
Got a picture of it the other day. I was going to go on it today.
I got on the 23. It's really quick.
It also sounds awful and was broken down 3 times since it was there.
Yeah. I can't blame it. It's lit.
It's a man.
I can't blame it being broke down. It has been like it's been like a year since it's been in service.
It's just had a new engine.
Yeah, so it should be back to normal tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Tuesday. But I doubt they'll get it out on.
I know. It'll probably blow up again and then mess
I
back
think I
in.
see it.
Like 47479.
Oh, it's Dale. Dale.
Is it?
The small one there.
Yeah, no. He
Dale.
was on 100s, only.
Oh. I wonder what he's got. 15550.
Oh.
That's a good one. Even though it struggles uphill. No, it's not nice.
Oh. Do you want to see if you can get a picture of that?
What?
Someone just text me. King's Coronation destination blind programmed on South East buses. East 1 have it. Code 000002.
Ah.
So lots of zeros and 6.